Behind every illegal gold nugget is a family poisoned and an indigenous community exploited. Mercury doesn't just kill rivers, it destroys lives. Inhaled mercury vapor causes brain damage, especially in kids. Entire villages have tested positive for dangerous mercury levels. Worse, illegal miners often invade indigenous lands without permission, cutting forests, using violence, and spreading diseases. These communities lose their land, their food, and even their culture. Gold profits for few, suffering for thousands. This isn't just environmental destruction, it's human exploitation.